Omotenashi is a word to describe Japanese hospitality. By having the O in the front, it is a polite way of saying motenasu, which means to treat and entertain one's guests wholeheartedly. There are two origins to the word motenasu. First one is to serve your guests with both tangible things such as flowers and tea, and intangible things such as thoughts and feelings. Second one is the meaning of not superficial, and encourages people to treat their guests honestly with open heart. Combining the two, there you have the Japanese hospitality that has become a part of Japanese culture and something that all Japanese people are proud of. With the Omotenashi House project, we're hoping to create a house that is not just stylish or comfortable to live in, but a house that will allow visiting guests to experience the most authentic Japanese hospitality during their stay.